This demo will help you better understand the various features of Mobile Punch. Creating a project and assignment. From the dashboard, you can create a project by clicking the Add Project button. You will then be given the option of entering details such as location and descriptions, including attachments and photos. You can also add tasks to your project. When your project is complete, you can then assign it to the relevant employees. From their mobile phones, your employees will then have real-time access to projects as well as details of the tasks assigned to them. In addition to having easy access to information such as descriptions, maps, photos, and routes, your employees will have the ability to share additional project details as a message. Your employees simply need to punch, and all relevant data will be automatically compiled on their timesheets. If an employee inadvertently punches outside of the project remit, you will receive an alert on the administrator platform and on his or her timesheet. With Mobile Punch, you will have access to multiple reports, thereby allowing you to have a complete, real-time portrait of each project's profitability. In addition to being able to manage your team remotely, you will have access to your data in real time. The data contained in your timesheets can also be transformed into payroll reports and then migrated to your accounting software. With Mobile Punch, you will have an excellent overview of your business activities and save both time and money. Welcome to the paperless office.